are looking at those two realities. Hindi totoo yun na ang requirement ay 4 years or 5 years. For example, engineering. Ito mas lalo sa akin. Yung sa Washington Accord, hindi nila titignan yung kaya ng 4 years and it fits the requirement of Washington Accord. Ang pagkakaiba kasi, doon sa mga kolehiyo sa yung pagpasok nila sa kolehiyo, most, if not all, of their subjects in college are already what is an equivalent class of the major subjects. Yung sa atin, pagpasok sa college, may 1 and for 2 years na GE pa, na hindi naman talaga major subject pa. So, ang titingnan, for example, in Washington Accord, ay yung major subject na kinukuha sa college. And in this particular instance, the technical panel for engineering, for example, is close to determining that kaya siguro yung 4 years, still that will fit the requirements of the national standard. If some of those first year, second year courses are taught in
You're talking about the general